Yes. Hello, guys. We are back with another video. We are back with another week analysis. Um, we will also go through some trades that I am currently looking at, and we also, if we have time at the end, we will do some trade recap from the previous days, the Friday and the Thursday. So we'll try to have everything in one video. So it gets this one could get long, but I will try to be as effective and as try to make have everything that is important in this video, right? So we'll start with the weekly analysis, and we'll start as always with this DXY. This is the weekly. This is the weekly time frame. We, as I said, this DXY will probably keep dropping. And why I'm saying that is because we are still in this bullish trend, right? So there is no reason for price to. We are currently at a discount, right? So we are overall in a bullish trend. Now we are going. Now we are in the on the monthly time frame, right? So we can see that we are currently below the equilibrium, which means that we are in a discount, right? And we need to see where price we want to go. We do have this imbalance on the monthly, so price could, if it wants, it could go all the way up here and still keep going down. But my view is that if price pushes above this high, then that would mean that it's a market structure shift, right? So it could mean that okay, price is now ready to push up. So, but as long as this high is intact, I'm still looking for shorts on the DXY. So I will put a red ribbon on here, so you guys can see. But yeah, the DXY is currently red. So red means I have a bearish bias, blue means I have a bullish bias, right? So what price has done now, it is that it has returned to the previous support. This is a strong support line, right? Support, support, resistance, resistance. We pushed above, use that as support again. And yeah, so we are currently in this range, and now what price did was it tapped into this orange area, the support once again. So this is a psychological number, 100 flat. You guys can see. I don't know why you guys can see, but yeah. So this level is the 100 level. So this level, I will add a markup so you guys can see. And now we do have this low, higher, high. we will probably make a higher low attempt, and then we need to see what's up, right? So at this moment there is no reason to look for shorts, but if we get some price action on lower time frame, then that could be the sign to look for some setup, right? So that's it. DXY, currently I have a bearish overall bias, but we could still see some bullishness, and then we could see a potential switch up. So Euro USD, so we do have this black line. Let's go from the weekly. Weekly means yeah. So we do have this low, swing low, high. So this is our dealing range on the weekly. So if we put out a fib, we could see that we have definitely tapped into the equilibrium. So we do have this equilibrium which has been tapped, and we got a beautiful rejection. And now we like to see price, how it behaves in this area, right? So maybe it's better if we do like this. So this is a strong area basically, or you know what, let's be, this level is a very important level. It depends on how far up you want to draw it, but we have this resistance, support, we broke below, and maybe that's a retest, and then we could see a potential push further down, right? Or if we were to break above this orange area and reject this level, that could also be a good sign to look for some longs. So we just need to wait and see. It's either we push above and keep going up to this buy side liquidity, or it's that we reject this level, we maybe go sideways, and then we'll push down, right? So that's the view on euro. Overall, as I said, overall we are in a bullish range. So we just need to wait and see. I could definitely see price get back to this area, and then we could eventually push up. So overall I am bullish, but we just need to wait and see if price wants to just attack the buy side, or he wants to push further down, right? So, and then we do have the GBP USD. Let's look. Yeah, as you guys can see, we hadn't closed below, so that's why I noticed this as a equal lows, and we pushed up, and as you guys can see, we had this trend line, we broke it, and for me this one looks bearish. We have broken below this level, we maybe come up to retest it, but I really think that we will go down. So GU for me, and the very fact that we also, I don't know if we're taken out, did we take out that low? No, we didn't. So for me, I would say we do have this low that are really fancy price to attack. So let's make it like this, because I am bearish on this one. And the only reason why I'm bearish on GU is the fact that we had this bearish order flow. We also have this level that price have swept, right? So we did sweep this high, and this one it reminds us of the same way NAS 100 or US 30 did, which I also will go through. It's one of my trade recaps. One of my better trades that I did take this trading week, right? But this is definitely my drawn liquidity. It doesn't mean that if price just reject all the levels that I let's see, did it take out? Did it sweep that high, that low? No, it didn't. So we haven't swept this low, right? So for me, we have the round psychological number here. Coordinates. So the round psychological number. So for me, how I am viewing things is that you can see how much price has respected this level round psychological. So I would say that price could go it could try to go down further, because GU is currently, all the GBP, the pound pairs are looking very very weak at the moment, honestly. So yeah, euro is looking much stronger than GBP. So I could say, and we do have this daily SIBI here, so we need to see how price react to this level. But for me, as I said, guys, so this is the daily SIBI. Let's change the color so we can see some difference. Right. So we do have this drawn liquidity that I'm very. This is our dealing range from this high to this low. I do think that this high will be taken out, and then we'll see this is our internal liquidity that I do think that we will attack before going down, right? So because when price is moving like this, yeah. So let's see. We do have some beautiful levels that I'm currently looking at. So we have another round psychological number up here. But I don't think it would go all the way up. So I could see the price gets back up here and then could see a drop, right? So this one will be turned red. So what do you guys think my view will be on Euro GBP? Do you think I would be bullish or bearish based on how this one looks? Yeah, it's a high chance that Euro GBP will be very bullish, right? And yeah, I did honestly, I did take this short from this level, and I did close about around here because I didn't want to hold. I was up, I think, 2 hour. Yeah, a little bit more than 2 hour, and then I closed. So, and the very fact that we just went sideways here made me want to yeah, I didn't like it. So the reason why I did take short is because we did have this strong level here. This is a trade recap. Then we had what? A displacement during London, during the retest. Took a short, stop loss about the Asian high, and then we went to this level. Quite a beautiful trade. So what do you think my view would be on Euro GBP? Do you guys think I would be bullish or bearish? Of course, I would be bullish, right? And now, when you see price go like this, it's easier said than done. Okay, find the entry model, but yeah, we just need to wait and see. One level I could see me do some buying from is this level, but yeah, we need to wait and see. This is GBP JPY, a very spectacular trade, honestly. This could go. When you see this kind of bearish candle, it does mean that okay, the institutionals or the smart money, they are in this trade, right? But overall, we are still bullish. So yeah, we could see a retest of this level, and then we could see a potential a shift up, but there's so much. This whole thing is a trend line. that has been broken. So I could honestly see this just trade below and then just continue downside. And then we have and then we do have this level. Right. So I won't go through every trade. Let's just go through. We do have Euro AUD, GBP AUD. I am currently in a long position. And why I am that is purely because yeah, I am in some long positions. I do think that long term that we will attack this level, but until we get some sign that we will do it, there's no reason to wait. There's no reason to force the sells, right? I will keep going for longs until we see some major level getting taken out. And then we do have this one trade, AUD CAD. Yeah, I was bullish on this one, but this one it killed me, honestly. It really did. This one really did kill me. So the reason why I looked for longs was because we are overall we're not bullish, but high time frame we can see that we are creating low, higher low, high, higher high, right? But this honestly is, if we're just zooming out, it has more or less just been going sideways. That is the honest truth. It has just been going sideways. So yeah, there is no reason to just force it, but this is not the best market conditions to look for trades on this pair. But yeah, this one it really freaked me over. Then we have USD JPY. This one was honestly, this one was my, I was, you see, as you guys can see, you guys can see, I was bullish on this one. So I have been taking longs from all this area, longs. I did take longs from this area too. This retest, I did take some longs. And yeah, the drawn liquidity was, as you guys can see, now it's showing up. This equal highs. Now we just, when you see this kind of when you see this kind of candle, this will definitely attack these lows. I don't see these lows getting, don't hold. I can't see that these lows are holding, right? So my view is that we will attack these two relative equal lows. And based on how we're closing below this level, we need to see. But I do like that we do have this down candle before this huge push up. So my thesis is that we may see this kind of play. That is my thesis on this pair, right? So, but I will, coming into this trading week, I will just look for shorts, really. So yeah, I do really think that if we do a forecast, that price will just keep melting. Last but not least, let's go through GBP CAD, and really beautiful trade, honestly. I did take this long, beautiful trade until this level, and then what did we see? We saw London sweeping Asian low, pushed up to take out this high, and then we saw this market shift. And I wanted to look for short. I wanted this last retest until this CB, but I didn't get it, so yeah, I missed it. But now we just need to wait and see to really to really understand where price could go. We see some massive rejections from this level, so this means that the bulls are starting to kick in. So that also means that on EuroCAD I will look for longs, really. This is AUD CAD. Where is EuroCAD? I am very bullish on this one. Why am I that? We do have this. We do have this level. So for me, if we were to see some rejections, if price were to come back and we see some rejections, yeah, I am bullish on this one, because I really think that we will get to this area, right? So that is EuroCAD. I am looking for longs. My forecast is either that we just go from here just straight up, which is the easy answer, or maybe we will get from this area, we will attack up. I don't think that we get in 1 day and 6 hours. It will take much longer than that, I think. Yeah. This news will make EuroCAD explode up. I really do think that. Okay, so that is the week analysis for this trading, for these trades, and I did also go through the trades I did take, except US30, which is a very, very beautiful trade, and yeah. Quite, I wouldn't say easy setup, but you're starting to see some good, how do you say, you will see some you're starting to notice patterns, right? So for me it wasn't that hard, but just the fact that we did break below, failed to push above, rejected. We had also taken out external liquidity above here, pushed down, failed to push above, came back down. I saw this huge bullish, bearish pattern, a bearish candle, and then on the retests, yeah, I did take, I think it was an M15 bearish order block. So this was, yeah, so a little bit before that, I did enter stop loss above these highs, enter this orange area. And this was 5.8 to 1. So beautiful trade. This is the setups that you like to see, and yeah, when they come, they come. Good. Okay, let's wait for the new training week. I hope you guys have a good weekend and take care of each other. I see you guys soon. Take care.